Look at these golden, soft cinnamon rolls, fresh from the oven, with that dreamy, creamy frosting glistening on top. Just wait until you see inside soft, fluffy, aromatic layers that melt in your mouth. And the way we roll each strip into perfect little cinnamon rolls, you'll see step by step, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you're going to want to bake these right now. Start with half a cup of warm milk in a bowl. Add 1 egg, room temperature or straight from the fridge, it's fine. Whisk until combined. Add 1 teaspoon active dry yeast and mix well. Now, add 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1¼ tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon salt. Mix everything together until the wet and dry ingredients start coming together. Next, add 1/4 cup melted butter and mix a little more. Transfer the shaggy dough to your work surface. Start kneading it with clean, washed hands. It will be sticky at first, don't worry, that's normal. If it's too sticky or hard to handle, sprinkle just 1 or 2 tablespoons flour while kneading. No more than that, or it could ruin the softness we're aiming for. Knead for 4-5 minutes until it's smooth, soft, and slightly elastic. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size, about 30 minutes if you keep it in a warm oven. While the dough rises, let's make the filling. Take 1/4 cup brown sugar and 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Mix it together, that's all. The aroma will be amazing once the rolls start baking. Once the dough has doubled, dust your work surface with a little flour and transfer the dough. And gently shape it into a ball. This helps to pop out any extra air bubbles that formed during proofing. Roll it out into a rectangle, evenly thick all over. Spread 4 tablespoons melted butter on the dough. Then sprinkle the cinnamon sugar, filling evenly on top. Cover every corner, every bite should be full of flavor. Now for the fun part, cut the dough into strips about 2 inches wide. Take each strip and gently roll it into a cinnamon roll. And while I roll all these strips into cinnamon rolls, let me tell you, cutting the dough before rolling, it is honestly a game changer. It's so easy and quick and I love it. No more struggling or using dental floss to cut the rolls. This method saves so much time and makes everything so much neater. Place the rolls on a greased baking tray. My tray is rectangular, so the rolls fill it perfectly, leaving no empty spots. Cover the rolls with cling film and let them rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. While they're proofing, I like to prepare the frosting. Take 1 tablespoon melted butter, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 3 tablespoons cream cheese, and half a cup powdered sugar. Whisk it together. Then add 1½ tablespoons of milk or more to reach your desired consistency. Whisk for 4 to 5 minutes until smooth, creamy, and luscious. Look at our cinnamon rolls now. See how beautifully puffed up and soft they've become? This is exactly the texture we want before baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the rolls for 20-25 minutes until the tops are golden and perfectly baked. Once the rolls are out of the oven, generously spread the frosting over them while they're warm. Look at that! Golden, soft, aromatic rolls with creamy frosting melting into every crevice. Take a peek inside one roll, soft, fluffy layers that practically melt in your mouth. This is why everyone loves these cinnamon rolls. Every bite is pure comfort and happiness. I promise once you try these, they'll be your go-to recipe for cozy mornings, holidays, or any day you need a little sweetness. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Take care and happy baking!